What's going on, and welcome to today's vlog. Yes, we are back doing a vlog. It's been way too long since I've been in front of the camera. I've just been recording shows and after movies. Life's been super busy, so I really haven't had a lot of time to really sit down and really connect with you guys. It's been way too long. But today, as you've seen from the title, is a special video. This will be the 100th time that I've clicked upload. Not by any means is it the 100th time that I've clicked record, because as everyone knows, nothing ever comes out right on the first take, but this will be the 100th video that I'm producing, and for me, that being such a baby milestone is a really special thing. So I wanted to do back to basics, car photo shoot, walk around photo shoot, just look at the scenery. I want you guys to be able to be here with me and see what I'm seeing and share that with you guys, because I think that'd be really special. Thank you guys who have supported the channel since the beginning. It really means a lot, and thank you to everyone that has followed me and subscribed along the way to share the journey with me of my content creation and passion for sharing, you know, what I love to do with cars and taking pictures and drives and vlogs. And it really just means a lot, you know, to see that other people also are enjoying what I'm enjoying. And that's the whole part of this thing, is to be a community with people, connect with people. And that's why I do this. This is why I love doing this as my side hobby. And I just love meeting people and connecting with fellow people, fellow creators, fellow car enthusiasts. This is what it's all about, guys. So here's the next 100 videos. Let's go take some shots. One of my favorite areas to shoot is anywhere with water in the background. So today, my first location I'm shooting right now is gonna be some nice, beautiful, still water in the background, beautiful landscape behind me, and let's go fire off some shots. I mean, did you expect any less? And off to location number 2. All right, guys, I'm at the second location now. My plan for today was honestly to not just get car shots, but also some urban shots of Providence, because it's also been a while. I think last time I did urban shots of Providence, I was really freezing my butt off outside. So let's see what we can get for some cool park shots. And obviously, you know, with the car in the background, the car in the foreground. There's a really cool boat over there too. So let's go see if we can get some cool shots of the boat. The light is hitting the car perfect in front of this bridge right now. Let's go get some shots of this. All right, so we're at our last location here, but I want to tell you guys something. This location is a special spot because this right here may not look like much to you guys. This looks like just an industrial area, you know, a little bit of water, some random buildings in the background, you know, the wind turbines. But this right here has a special place in my heart, because this right here was the first location that I ever shot my car at. What I mean by that is I took my phone and said, hey Ashley, I'm gonna go take some pictures of my car. And I just took my Google Pixel 3 and I took the car down and found this random spot, this little inlet, this little lookout over here in Riverside, Rhode Island. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take some pictures of my car because I just got it and I thought it'd be cool. This is where it all started. This is where I started my journey of creating things and creating content and taking pictures and videos and learning how to manipulate photos to make them look cooler, and just like really capturing the scenery around it and really sparking my interest for photography. So I think that this is a perfect location to really come full circle and finish the video off today, the vlog, of taking some more photos with the newer camera, with the new rig. You know, car looks a little bit different. Obviously, I didn't have really a lot done to it when I took those pictures before. In hindsight, this is just really something that I'll always remember. So let's end this vlog on a high note and take some pictures of the location that it all started in. Let's go fire up some photos. What's going on, guys? So to continue the vlog, actually it's not over. Ashley and I are going down to Newport to watch some live music, so we figured we'd take you guys along for the ride with us. So yeah, you guys want to come hang out with us? It's been a while since you've been in a video. When's the last time you were in a video? Has it been since the last time we were in Middletown?
Yeah.
When
we got the truffle fries?
Truffle fries, the amazing truffle fries.
We can never go anywhere without you having to stop for a tinkle break.
It's the coffee. Get your feet off my dash, please. That's it for the vlog today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you for all the support, you know, you guys have given me over this time. It's pretty amazing that this is already the 100th video, so I really want to just thank you from the bottom of my heart that I can't believe it's already been this long. You know, how long has it been? Over 2 years now, or no?
Yep.
About 2 years. But I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. You know, I'm still working a full-time job, but I'm gonna continue sharing my passion, and that's what this is all about. So definitely thank you guys so much. Today was an amazing day of shooting pictures, hanging out with friends and family, and definitely just stay safe, guys, drive safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Can I do this?